Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Ananya and you are watching my channel Amiable Ananya. So if you are looking for a channel how to do makeup and makeup tutorials, makeup hacks, hairstyling videos, mehendi designs, DIY mask and much more grooming tips, so you are exactly on the right channel. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is a hair tutorial video where I'll be sharing how to make fishtail. So please don't skip any step and watch me carefully that how I make that. Also, if you like my content, please hit the like button. That's really motivates me a lot, and also share it with your friends. Moving on, let's start the video.
So what you have to do is you have to divide your hairs into two parts, and you have to take small portion from back side of your divided hair and move into the other side, and similarly you have to take another small portion of the other side of the divided portion and add it to the another side. Similarly you have to do this, and this will lead to make a fishtail braid. So follow my instructions very carefully and see how I am doing it.
So this is the final look, and I hope that you have learned something and you'll be able to make this braid. So one more time I would like to request you all that please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. It really means a lot to me, and this will really help me to grow my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.